Tommy is calling you. Come on. Yeah, kitty. Oh, Sammy. Behave. Samson. Sadie, you be a good girl. She's very stiff. She's very stiff. I don't know if she knows what a kitty is. Good girl. No, oh, you want a cookie? you want to play with the kitty? What are you doing? Oh, play? Are you playing? What? Sam, stop. Sammy, it's not your girlfriend. Come on. Say hi to Tom. Say hi, Tom. How are you? What are you? Is that a kitty? Good girl. Tom is always a good indicator of a dog being good or not. He senses the energy. Meow. Meow. Good boy, Tom. Her face is all wrinkled. Here. Go say hi. Say hi, Tommy. Say hi, Tom. You're my sweet kitty, Tommy. My loyal dog tester. Aww. Were you just rubbing up against her nose? Yes. Yeah. Good girl, Sadie. It's a good kitty. Is that a good kitty? Yeah. I'm just going to let it run and see what she does. Is that Tom Tom? Yeah. Actually, I don't think she's... Well, I don't know if I would trust her out of the cage with Tom, but since I don't have a leash on her. He's staying close to me. Go say hi to Tommy. I don't think you've ever seen a kitty in your life. No, don't follow me. Come here. Tom. Say Tom. Tom Tom. Tommy. Hello, baby. Hello. Hello, sweet boy. Good girl. Hey. Good girl. All relaxed. I don't know. I think that she might do okay. Look, Tom is rubbing up against her. He doesn't get any. Trust me, if she's not good with cats, he would not be sticking his face in her face. Even when the dog is calm, he senses it. You like her, Tom? You like her? Yes? Is that a yes? Oh, I think he does. What about you? You're standing there, very stoic. Very stoic. I'm just gonna let it run. It's always hard when they do the staring game, like it's a face-off, literally. What are you doing? You don't know what to do with that, huh? It's a little kitty. Good girl. I'm just going to let it run until my memory on my phone gives out, which is not going to be much longer. But it's given us plenty of time to see her reaction. I think one scratch on the nose. Oh, he's stretching, Tom. Just one scratch on the nose and she'd be out of here. But she's... I don't know. I don't know what to make of that. What do y'all think? She's very focused and very intent on the cat, so not sure. She's not barking or growling, but that means absolutely nothing. Sammy up there doesn't do that either, and he is not good with other dogs. He's certainly not good with cats. Not that anything. He wants to be an only child. Sadie, Sadie, what are you doing? You're still standing there, staring at my kitty. Come here. Come here. Say hi to Tom. Come here. Come here. Come here, Sadie. Oh, hi, Tommy. Hey, Tom. Hello. Good girl, Sadie. Good girl. I don't know what to make of this. This is like, I would say good with cats, but I also see her very intent on the cat, and I've seen that with Samson up on the deck. And yeah, see, now she's getting a little bit more active, and that stalker energy is what I'm feeling right now. Sadie, break it up. Tom backed up. Sadie, you'd be good. You'd be nice. I don't know. It's all up to you guys. I just don't know. Oh, no. I guess I was right. No. No, no, no. No. Oh, no. No. Sadie? She's growling. You can't hear it, but I can hear. She's growling. Oh. No, no. I'm glad I let it run for 6 or 7 minutes, because I've seen this before with him. Stop it, Samson. So, oh God, as much as I would love for this dog to have a good home, it has to be one without cats. Very sorry.